A rare opportunity to own a unique multi-unit property on an incredibly private 3/4 acre lot with huge income potential. Welcome to 1298 Altona Road in West Pickering. This property includes 2 energy-efficient homes that offer 5 potential rental units between them, a portion of land that is currently leased under a 10-year rental term, as well as parking for up to 15 vehicles. Each home has its own address, and the secondary residence at 1312 Altona Road is a 2-story solid structural wood home with approximately 2,500 square feet of interior living space. Its wood-trimmed exterior blends beautifully with the natural surroundings and has an east-facing front deck partially enclosed with glass as its inviting entrance, as well as a covered west-facing patio that has an open-air raised deck above it, with both overlooking the backyard. The large foyer opens into a spacious living room with a deep red brick accent wall, while its light color palette accentuates the original gumwood and oak millwork trim detail, as well as the original French doors, all which have been finished in a dark, rich color. The adjacent sunroom has a bright west-facing exposure with a walkout to the back patio, and from the tree-lined backyard is a gorgeous view of the lush woodlands of Rouge National Urban Park. The kitchen also enjoys a west-facing exposure and features a breakfast area overlooking the backyard, contemporary cabinetry with great storage and a large pantry area, plenty of counter workspace, built-in oven with smooth cooktop, fridge, and dishwasher, while below the bow window is a deep, extra-wide stainless steel sink with apron. The bedroom on this level can also be used as a private home office and has semi-private access to the washroom, which features a contemporary vanity, has a laundry area with stacked front-load washer and dryer, as well as a walk-in shower area. In addition to pot lighting in the living area and the sunroom, as well as cream-colored tiled flooring in almost every room, this residence is also thoroughly insulated and has radiant in-floor heating on both levels. Ideal as an in-law suite or multi-generational home, the main and upper levels can be treated as separate self-contained units for its income potential. The second level showcases the same cream-colored tiled flooring as the main level and has 3 bedrooms, a washroom, a living room, and a kitchenette. The 3 bedrooms are quite generous in size, with the 3rd bedroom featuring an east-facing greenhouse window, while the 2nd bedroom enjoys wonderful views of the sprawling yard and natural landscape. The master bedroom has a separate room with a bow window that can be utilized as a dressing area, sitting room, or office, and the master bedroom itself has semi-private access to the washroom, which features a contemporary vanity with double basins and a combined bath shower area with a soaker tub. A vaulted cathedral ceiling accentuates the spaciousness of a west-facing, sun-washed living room with multiple sliding door walkouts onto the raised deck, which has a set of stairs to the backyard, providing a private entrance for the second level. Situated on an irregular-sized lot measuring 236 by 173 by 160 by 151 by 45 feet, this property offers seclusion and security. Both homes are surrounded by nature with views of Rouge National Urban Park and the Rouge River, and access to the property is limited to the cul-de-sac on which it is located. There is a valley ridge at the rear boundary. Both side boundaries are protected by elevations abutting major thoroughfares, and the property is also adjacent to 1/3 of an acre of green space. Ideal as multi-generational private homes, both residences can also be income-producing rental properties with potential for a high capitalization rate, and they offer a mixed-use opportunity such as residential with office zoning, short or long-term rentals, home-based businesses, and much more. And the land has also been designated for future high and mid-rise development in the City of Pickering's official planning. Surrounded by a flagstone walkway is the principal residence at 1310 Altona Road. A 2-story solid structural brick and wood energy-efficient home with approximately 3,300 square feet of interior living space, this residence is thoroughly insulated and has radiant in-floor heating throughout, as well as featuring 3 self-contained units with exclusively appointed interior finishes and multiple walkouts onto outdoor patios or decks. The spacious entrance foyer of the main level unit can accommodate an office area, and this unit also showcases superb appointments including marble flooring, elaborate natural maple wood trims and accents, as well as solid maple wood French doors with iridescent glass. In the kitchen and dining area, red brick peeks through the wood wall trims. The warmth of this rustic design is complemented with modern details such as mirrored accents, pot lighting, as well as contemporary cabinetry that offers amazing storage space. And the kitchen also features plenty of counter workspace with a breakfast bar, appliances including fridge, dishwasher, and oven with smooth cooktop, as well as a stainless steel double sink with a drain board. The generously sized living room has a gas fireplace, pot lighting, and multiple walkouts to the backyard. And this unit also features a spacious bedroom, as well as a washroom divided into 2 separate rooms, both with vanities and marble-tiled walls, one room which is a bath shower area, the other the water closet. The upper level has 2 separate 1-bedroom units, each with their own washroom, kitchen, and living room. While some of the exceptional finishes and details on that level include natural pine and natural cedar millwork and accents, solid wood French doors with iridescent glass, multicolored slate-tiled floors, and cathedral ceilings. Secluded private residences with exceptional income potential, this amazing property is minutes from many prime amenities, including schools, recreational facilities, restaurants and entertainment, Pickering Town Centre Mall, the GO Station, and access to Highway 401.